How are you? I hope you're fine and safe at home. Okay, today we are going to listen to a story. Actually, what we are going to do is, in a school we had the practice, isn't it? Story hour we had. So now what we are going to do is, I will read a story to you. You have to listen to it carefully, and then your work is to tell the story to your parents. What is your work? After listening to the story carefully, you have to tell the story in your own words to your parents, and then I will give you some questions also. You have to try to answer the questions. The answers are in the story itself. The story will be displayed always in your cell, so okay, you can read again and then you can answer the questions. Okay, so shall we start? I am going to read a story to you. Okay, today's story is The Rabbit and the Turtle. What is a turtle? Turtle is a tortoise. Okay, once upon a time there was a turtle that enjoyed taking walks around the lake. So there was a turtle who liked to make rounds, means it was always roaming around the lake. Lake means a small place where water is there. While walking one day, the turtle met a speedy rabbit. So one day when the turtle was walking, it met a rabbit. You all know what is a rabbit? In the picture you can see a rabbit, isn't it? So that rabbit is very fast. It's running fast, jumping and doing all naughty things. So what happened? I think slow movers should not use the road. So the rabbit is very fast, and turtle, you know, on its back it has a big shell, so it moves slowly, isn't it? So it is teasing. It is saying that I think slow movers should not use the road. Rabbit is saying you are moving slowly, so you should not come on the road. I think slow movers should not use the road, said the rabbit, laughing. The road is for everyone, said the turtle. Turtle got angry and it said, road is for everyone, so even I can also move on the road. I will tell you what, challenged the rabbit. Let's have a race. So what did the rabbit say? It told the turtle, okay, I will give you a challenge. And what is the challenge? To have a race. Race means running race. The turtle agreed and they decided to run to the other side of the forest. So what is the competition they kept? What is the race? It was that they have to run towards the other side of the forest. The next day all the animals gathered to watch the race. So it was a race between a rabbit and a turtle. So all the animals in the forest, they all came to watch the race. The race started. The rabbit ran ahead as fast as lightning. So you all know rabbit runs very fast, isn't it? So it ran very fast and afterwards no one could see the rabbit. The turtle was lagging behind. So turtle was moving slowly. It was very far behind. The distance between them was getting bigger and bigger, raising the rabbit's self-confidence. So what happened between them? Rabbit was far away and the turtle was very back. And so the rabbit thought, surely I am going to win the race. After running for a little, the rabbit noticed carrots beside the road. So what happened? Who was running fast? The rabbit was running very fast. So after running fast, on the roadside it saw some carrots. You all like carrots, isn't it? So the rabbit also likes carrot. So it stopped there. Oh, my favorite. I didn't have breakfast today, said the rabbit. So what did the rabbit say? It is my favorite food. Carrots are my favorite food and I did not have the breakfast today morning. So I will eat these delicious carrots, rest for a while, then I will resume the race and I will be the winner, of course. So what did the rabbit say? I will stop here because turtle is very far back. So I will stop here, eat the delicious carrots, it is very tasty, and then rest for a while, sleep for a while, and then I will start again to run. I will win surely, it thought. The turtle is still too far from me. So the rabbit is saying, turtle is very far, so I have lot of time. I can eat the carrots, I can take some rest, and then I can run. Then also I will win the race. Meanwhile, the turtle was focusing on the road. But turtle did not stop. It was always observing the road because it has to cross the road and go to the next side of the forest, and it wants to win the race. So she never stopped and took great pains to continue. So slowly she did not stop. The turtle did not stop, and slowly, how much pain also it felt, it didn't stop. It started moving on. As she neared the finish line, the animals hailed and cheered her in the support. So last what happened, slowly the turtle was moving. At the last it came to the final line where the line of winning is there. It reached there, and all the animals started shouting and cheering, supporting the rabbit. At the same time, the rabbit awoke from his sleep. So when the animals were shouting, the rabbit woke up from its sleep. He decided to run again. He started to skip and jump. So what he thought, the tortoise is very far behind, so I'm always in the front, so I will continue running. And he started jumping and running, and it was running towards the line. Suddenly he stopped and couldn't believe his eyes. The turtle was almost at the finish line. So suddenly what happened? He could not believe his eyes because the turtle was in the front of him. It was almost near the finishing line. That's impossible, cried the rabbit. So rabbit is saying, how is it possible? How did the turtle win the race? He was thinking and he was shouting. He tried to run faster, but he couldn't because he was so full. So what happened? The rabbit, it stopped in the middle and ate carrots, isn't it? So his stomach was full. So if the stomach is full, what happens? We can't run fast. So here the rabbit also, it ate too many carrots and his stomach was so full that he couldn't run faster. The turtle crossed the finish line and won the race. So who won the race? The turtle. Slowly it moved and at last it won the race. The turtle looked at the rabbit and said, slow but steady wins the race. So what the turtle said? I'm slow but I'm steady. What is the steady means? It wanted to complete the race. It wanted to win the race. It was slow but it wanted to win the race, and at last who won the race. Who was he? The turtle. The arrogant rabbit realized his mistake. So the rabbit realized his mistake because he was very bad with the turtle, isn't it? He felt sorry for making fun of the hard-working turtle. So he said sorry to the turtle. So he decided to apologize to her, and so he said sorry to the turtle that he will never tease her, never use bad words against the turtle. Okay, did you understand the story? So now you heard the story, isn't it? So what you have to do, I told you in the beginning that you have to listen to the story carefully, then you have to tell the story in your own words to your parents, and I am going to give you some questions. You have to answer the questions. First question is, what are the two characters or the animals mentioned in the story? What are the two animals mentioned in the story? Okay, you know it? Okay. Why did the rabbit laugh at the turtle? Why did the rabbit laugh? Because it was very slow. It was moving slowly on the road. What was the challenge? What was the challenge between them? To run a race. What did the rabbit see on the roadside? What did the rabbit see? It saw carrots and it liked it so much. What did rabbit do after eating the carrots? So it ate too many of carrots, then it stopped there and took some rest. Who won the race at the end? Who won the race? You all know. Slowly and steadily the turtle reached the final line. Okay.